Hello and welcome to this video. From where we left the last time, we saw that the homepage is not set. Instead, the blog post is used as the homepage. So we're going to start the customization and we're going to set the homepage properly. So let's begin. I go to my back end and I locate settings. From settings, I go to readings. And when I click on readings, it's going to bring out reading settings for me. If you look at this first item here, your home page displays your last post. That's not what we want to do. So I'm going to choose the second option and a static page. Then I'm going to select how I want the pages to appear. For my home page, which is the first one, I need to come here on this drop down and select home. And for my post page, that is going to be my blog page. So I select blog. And that's all I need to do for now. And I say save changes. And the settings are saved. So I go back to my home page and I'm going to reload the page to see if I'm going to see any changes. And that is it. You can see we have our nice layout. So the first thing we're going to do here is to set our categories. So we're going to choose an icon for our different categories. Here we have automotive, book, sports and hobbies, and so on. So this is how we're going to do this. From the back end, we go to posts and we move to categories. I want to click on that. So here is the list of all the categories we have on our website. So this is how this works. I'm going to edit automotive, which is the first one on the home page. So I come here and I click edit. We have quick edit and edit. I'm going to choose the edit. So we move down. Here is a category image. So I need to upload an image here. Classiera has provided us with the images we need to upload. Let's go and locate it. Here is my Classiera theme. When I open it, I'll go to dummy content. When I come down here, I'm going to see categories icon. So when I open it, this is where the icons are placed. So I'm going to pick automotive from here. So I click on upload image. If you're doing this for the first time, then you need to go to upload files and select files. Here is my theme folder. I open it. I locate dummy content and I come to categories icon. So here is automotive. I click on that and I say open. So I'm going to select it and I'll say choose image, and here is the image. So I'll simply go down and update. And you can see category updated. So I need to go to my home page and reload my home page. Now pay attention here. The automotive icon has replaced everything. But don't worry, let's go upload the second one and you will see what is happening here. So from here, I go back to categories. This time, I'll go to books, sports and hobbies and I say edit. So I come here and I upload image. So I click on upload files, say select. Here is books. So click on that and say open. So with that selected, I say choose image, and here is it. So I come down here and update. Okay, updated. So I go back to my home page and I reload or refresh the home page. Now do you see what's happening? The other categories take the icon of the last category you uploaded. So what it means is that as you continue to upload different category icons, the last one you upload will override the rest. But don't worry, just make sure you upload all of them to the last. Let's try a third one. So here I go back to categories. Now we are on, it's time to upload that of electronics. So I click on edit and I come down here and I say upload files, select files, then I look for electronics. Here is electronics. I click on open and it's uploading. With electronics selected, I say choose image and I come here and I update. So it's updated. So I go back to my home page and I'm going to reload the page once again. So you see, I've uploaded 3 different icons, and look at 1, 2, and 3. So just keep uploading, and by the time you get to the last, you are going to see that each icon is going to be a different one. So that's that about how to upload the icons. So let's run down to our back end and look at the general settings. The general settings is the first setting under the Classiera options. So the first thing here is the logo. If you look at this image here, we can remove it, then upload a new one. You can see the Classiera is written on white, and this logo you see here, or the logo you upload here, will be what will be visible on the home page at this top left. So when you create your own logo, you remove this, then you upload your own logo to your website. Email verification on register. It says if you turn this on, right now it's turned on, a user will have to provide a valid email address. If a user does not provide a valid email address, the user will not be able to register on the website. Then, when the user provides the email address, a password will be sent to the user's email inbox. But if you turn off this option like this, then there is no need for a valid email address. User will be able to set their password at the front end. That is for this. No thumbnail. It has the on and off button. When the button is on, then and the user submit an ad without an image, that ad is going to show no thumbnail. Now, social login area. If you are not using social login and you want to remove the social login option from the login page, then turn off this option. Social login means that you can use your Facebook ID to log in, or your Google ID to log in. So instead of putting the password and email, you just click on any social media icon you wish to use and log in, and you can be able to log into the site. So this is option to turn that feature off or on. So if it's on like this, that means you can use social media to log in. Now select pagination type. How do you want your page to be arranged? Do you want your page to have numbers below it? If you want that, you choose pagination. But if you don't want that, then you choose infinite scroll. In that case, it means that as you keep scrolling down, the ads will keep popping up. But to enable our site load fast, we need to add pagination, and down below we're going to set how many ads we want to display at a time or on a page. Back to top button. If you don't want to use back to top button, turn off this feature. This feature is what we see here, this button. If you don't need it, you simply turn it off. Ads count on all ad pages. How many ads do you want to see on any page that displays ads? You put the number here. If I want to see 10 ads on any page that I open that contains ad, I'm going to put 10 like this. Now, how many ads do you want to see on category page? It means if I open the automotive category, how many ads do I want to see there? You put the number here. Then how many ads do I want to see when I click the all category page? There's a page known as all categories. If I click on that page, how many ads do I want to see on a page? You put the number here. Now, footer widget area on and off. If you don't want to use widget in footer, turn off this. Okay, this is turned on, and if you go to our footer starts from here down. So I'm going to turn off this feature right now and click save changes. So I'll go to my home page and I'm going to reload the home page. And you see the footer is gone. So if I need the footer, I'm going to turn it on and I say save changes. Now, footer copyright test, all copyright reserved 2023. This is where you have them here. So you can edit it and choose whatever you want to be displayed here. You can also add a link to any web page. Terms and conditions URL. When you create a page for your terms and condition and publish the page, you have to copy the URL from your address bar and paste here. Same thing goes for GDPR URL. You create the page, you write the content, publish it, then copy the address from your browser, come here and paste it. And when you do that, the link will be shown at your registration page, and also terms and condition link will be shown on your registration page. Then footer logo. If you want to use your own logo, you have to design that, then click on remove to get rid of this, then upload a new one and it will be saved here. So that is how to edit the general settings. At the end of everything, you have to hit on save changes. And for any reason you want to remove all the settings, all the settings you just applied, you need to click on reset section. Reset section will reset everything on general settings. But when you say reset all, it means it's going to affect everything under Classiera options. So the next one here is email notification. Now we have email logo image. Any image you upload here will be used in your email. So here it says upload your email header logo, and here is the dimension of the logo. Now also, if you want to use a email header image, you can still upload it here. This is for your email this time and not for your homepage or website. The next one here is email top bar. Email top bar shows your social icons, email, phone number. If you want to hide them, just turn off these options. So if you don't want to show your social media icons in your email and your phone number, you turn it off like this. Now email footer. Email footer area show your social media icon and logos. If you want to hide them, then just turn off this option. Email to admin on a new sign up. If you are an admin and you want to receive an email whenever there is a new registration, if you want to receive the email, you turn it on. But if you don't want to receive email, you turn it off. Now here you have email pending post. Would you like to receive emails about new posted ads to approve or reject? It means when a user submits an ad, do you want to receive an email asking you to approve the ad? If you want to receive an email, you leave it on. Email rejected posts. Would you like emails to be sent to user about rejected ads? Now let's say a user submits an ad and the site admin needs to reject or approve the ad. If the ad is rejected, do you want the user of the website to get an email? If yes, you activate it. Now I will always advise to activate everything here because it enables you to communicate with your site users, and that is important for you to be able to communicate with your site users. So just activate everything here and leave it on. So here is if a user's ad has been published, the user gets to receive email when you turn this on. And also if a user has an expired ad, the user will get an email notification about the expired ad, and that is when you switch on this option. And the last part, which is the email footer copyright text. Now whatever you put here is going to appear at the footer of your email, that is below your email. So when you have set everything here, you have to say save changes and your settings will be saved. And that is all for this video. I will see you on the next one.